Functions of ear. Main task of ear is to detect, transmit and transduce sound. It also maintain our sense of balance. The function of outer ear is to collect sound waves. Ear. A magnificent organ. In mammals, ear has three parts: outer ear, mid ear. A magnificent organ. In Cochlea. A part of inner ear involved in hearing. It's a portion of the inner ear which is spiraled, hollow, and conical chamber of bone which looks like a snail shell. Organ of Corti. Located in the mammalian cochlea and acts as a receptor. It's a sensitive element of the inner ear and can be considered as a microphone. Having 4 rows of hair cells which protrude from its donotopy. It is spiral arrangement where sounds of different frequencies